Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to view reports in FreshBooks. Pretty simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I've done right here. Now the next one is how can you create an account on FreshBooks. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once again, to the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tax, and that is how to view reports in FreshBooks. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel of your screen where you have dashboard, clients, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, projects, time tracking, accounting, reports. You have apps, team members, items and services, bank connections, and settings. Now I'd like you to click on reports, and that's going to walk you right into the report window. Did you know you can set your fiscal year to get the insights you need for tax time and beyond? Set your fiscal year and date to make your reports even more relevant. Now we have favorite reports which have not been set, so you can easily access to your favorite report. Just go ahead and click on that and add your favorite report. So you have the invoice and expense report. Okay, so you have the invoice details and item sales, expense report, revenue by client. You also have payment reports, which include account aging, payments collected, accounts payable aging, and credit balance. You have your accounting reports, which include balance sheet, profit and loss, general ledger. You have the trial balance, and you have bank reconciliation summary, and you have sales tax summary, cash flow journal entry. You also have the time tracking and project reports, and of course you have logs. So let's say I want to select any of them. Okay, let's say invoice details. How to get a report for invoice details. So this is the report, right? Invoice details and all of these about this report. So I can go back to reports and get a report for anything available in the reports window. So this is how you can view reports in FreshBooks. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.